Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. As you can see, we got a really cool shave today. It's Noble Otter. This was given to me Christmas, however you want to put it, from Doug Bear. Just now getting to use it. Excited because I do like Noble Otter. Great soap base, awesome labels, awesome side labels, scent notes. I mean, y'all look right there. It's, what is it? Saffron, bergamot, petitgrain, jasmine, absolute, geranium, whetstone, sandalwood, and tonka bean. I do enjoy this. So we're using the purple, some making required. If you get the lights on there, it's a lot more than just a regular purple. And it has the Roswell, not from PAA in there, said it myself. So we'll give you a little story. This razor right here, this was sent to me by Maddie. And if y'all don't know, these little barber's notches, extra hollow, Swedish razors, shoulderless, they are sexy, man. And they are so light. I mean, this is a 5/8. All right, guys, if it's not a 5/8, it's a 9/16. But I think it's a 5/8. 5/8 look a little smaller when they're shoulderless, I've noticed, at least to my eyes. So we wet the face. Oh, gotta pop the beer. We had a shower. Got the no bottle opener, so being redneck, old school lighter. So we're using we're gonna be drinking Sweetwater 420 strain G13 IPA. Good shit. Got my A&W frosted mug. Oh man, this is a good IPA. I'm not into IPAs, but it's good. And it does have a nice like terpene taste that you really get when you exhale. Truly enjoy this. So I think Sweetwater's out of Georgia. So how far are we into this? Like 2 minutes, no soap on the face. Anyways, I'm gonna put it, see how it goes. This is a wonderful scent, guys. I actually dig this quite a bit. And, oh man, I forget how soft this Roswell knot is. I mean, this thing is soft, guys. So. But the Roswell knot's what's in the Peregrino, if people don't know. And I truly enjoy the Peregrino, which I don't own anymore. But I do have the Amber Light, or whatever it is, that's same knot, just different color, and the handle's a little different. So I don't need the Peregrino anymore. Although it is a nice, very nice handle. All right, one more sip, guys, before we get to the razor. So what I did with this came in from Maddie. I sent it to Doug Bear to try out his edge. I had 3 other razors with Maddie's edge. I did sell one that looks similar to this one. Kept the other 2, and I said, hey Doug, since I've never tried your edge, you can kill the edge on that one and put yours on there and let me try it. I've got plenty of Maddie's edges. I don't think Doug really wanted to do it because it was Maddie's edge, but I do appreciate it. No insult meant, Maddie, if you're watching. Anyways, Doug said it took him like 3 weeks to get this right. He said it was a warped razor, and he was very impressed with Maddie's skill to get that keen of an edge like he did. Well, it is nice. And this razor was sent to Doug. The way it was sent to me, I didn't even unpackage it. I didn't even know what the razor looked like when I sent it to Doug. He sent me a picture when he got it in. Because I wanted him to try Maddie's edge the way Maddie would put it to his face. Because Maddie strops it how many times he wants it stropped and everything. So like when you first get that edge in, that is the way it is stropped and everything that Maddie would do it. And I think that's pretty cool. So I wanted Doug to have the freshest edge he could have from Maddie. But it's a sweet little razor. I was supposed to be doing another video, guys, and I'm dreading it, just so y'all know. That's why I put out this video today. If there was any tug at all, Doug, it was right there. No issue there. So, could have been the angle I came in at. Because shit technique and all. Just ask Steve Walker. He'll tell you. He keeps telling me I need to come down and visit him. He'll teach me how to shave and then how to sharpen one. So. Nice. Getting better with that left hand, guys. Trying to go back to it. So. This is where my neck is hollows and bumpy and never get it really flat. That's a good feeling edge, Doug. And I do like those extra hollows when I'm done with this. So guys, this is a later video. I had a pretty crazy day at work today. Got home, had to cancel some cards, and ate and fell asleep while eating on the couch. Woke up, showered. Here we are doing a video. When I'm done with this, I'm going to package up Doug Bear's and Robert Camara's and now DK and send it out tomorrow so everybody gets their packages. So, nice, guys. Very nice. Right. And if y'all don't know who Robert Camara is, he's Asshole Robert. I didn't call him that. He called himself that. Wow. Nice. That was really nice, guys. I'm not getting bloops, but it is rinsing off easily. I just kept adding water to this Noble Otter, and I'm like, guys. We'll add as needed. That's what I said to myself. If I need it in the shave, I'll add more, but I do not want to break this lather, so we try not to. So. Wow. That was a good feeling, guys. Sorry. I am impressed with the edge, Doug. Excuse me. We're going to think about There we go. There was like a little stray I didn't get right there. Very nice shave though, guys. No cut. Very nice. It's just... but very much enjoyed this razor. I like these just little small light razors. There's just something about them. Maybe it's like a WEC. Yeah, we're not doing a fool's pass today. Let's see how much the neck needs touched up. Honestly, it doesn't. Wow. I mean, that's not BBS, but I don't shoot for BBS anymore, guys. But I think I got just as good as I do with that pickup pass right there. So that is me very impressed with that shave today, guys. Wow. Felt good. No cuts either. That's a good day. I've been trying to get back to no cuts, guys. Like, I can't get my head in the game for anything lately. I think the reason I did so well today is because I listened to the Teen Wolf 2 soundtrack today. Because, man, it's just smash-alicious. You know, it's twice as awesome. But yeah, I listened to that on vinyl, got the shower, you know. Do You Love Me? Do y'all know that song? That was the first song on there. I really dig it. But not the version y'all would probably know. They redid it. So we're going to pause, rinse up, and come right back. And we're back. Did you miss me? It's just like instant for y'all, right? So we're going to give the splashity splash splash a go, guys. And I'm going to show you the sun making required brush. Now, I put the knot in myself. I think I set it a little high. I put it in with silicone so I can take it out easily. I just haven't messed with it. Y'all can see it's a bit of a higher loft than you'd probably want normally, but displays beautifully. It's really nice in the bowl. I got everything out of the bottom of my bowl this time with this brush and didn't soak it beforehand like I had been doing. Did it old school way today and it actually worked out for me. A little bit of the electrical tape on the cap, you know. So DK, that bitchin' little razor I'm gonna send to you so you could try out an extra hollow. I don't think my boy DK's had an extra hollow, so we're gonna send him one and see how he likes it. He's trying to figure out what he'd want in a custom when he finally does one, if he's gonna want a wedge, near wedge, quarter hollow, half hollow, full hollow, extra hollow. He's just trying to figure out what he likes, and I can't say as I blame him. So you guys, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Everybody that stayed till this time, thank you very much. And again, Sweetwater Strain 420 G13 IPA, this stuff. Dude, it's a danky dank beer. I highly recommend if you can get your hands on it. So guys, until next time, it's going to be a few days for the video. And I'll see, I don't think anything's linkable here. We'll see if the Noble Otter is available. If it is, I'll link it, but everything else, So anyways, guys, y'all have a good one.